Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you have been wondering how can you turn off the quiet mode on the Instagram app, so basically you have turned it on earlier and now you're wondering how can you turn it off. In this video I'll show you exactly how to do that in a very easy and clear method. Follow up with me till the very end so that you make no mistakes, and let's jump right into it. Now since we're going to be using the Instagram mobile application, let's go ahead and open your Play Store or App Store. First search for Instagram right there. Once you find it, make sure from here that you have the Instagram app updated to the latest version, just like that, to make sure everything works properly in this process. After that you can quit, and from here of course we need to go ahead and open the Instagram application. And now tap on the profile picture in the bottom right corner to open your profile. Now you can tell that you have it turned on if you have this icon right here that says that you are on quiet mode. To turn it off, you can tap on the three lines in the top right corner from your profile right here. Then go to settings by tapping settings and privacy at the top. And then from here on settings, it's actually pretty easy. You can tap on notifications at the top of these options right here, and then you can access quiet mode settings right here. If you want to access these settings from a shortcut, you can go back to settings and search for quiet mode in the top, and you'll find it right there easily. Tap on it to open it, and here we go guys. If you want to turn off quiet mode, just switch off this toggle at the top right here. Once you tap on the switch, you'll be given this question in the bottom. Tap on turn off quiet mode, and just like that you have turned off quiet mode on Instagram, and you can turn it on and off whenever you want using this process in this video guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and leave your questions and comments in the comment section. I'll try to answer every single one of them, and of course subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video guys. Peace.